Okay, I just wanted to go over a few things about damaged threads, and especially on a harmonic balancer right here. My bolt right there was stripped, and not the bolt, but the threads inside the harmonic balancer or the crankshafts was stripped. And the way it got stripped was when I was using the harmonic balancer puller. I didn't use a little cone tip that goes on it, and when I was pulling it off, I damaged the threads. Now I didn't do this once, but twice, and I wasn't thinking about it, so I wasn't able to. I got my harmonic balancer off, but as far as threading it back on, when I used the harmonic balancer installer kit, I wasn't able to do it because my threads are damaged. So after a couple of days of trying different methods, nothing seemed to work. So I went to Oreilly's, and I was able to get this tap right here. This is a pipe. It's 7/16, and this is it right here. Okay, this worked right here. I was able to. I wasn't able to get a tap that this would go in, but it was able to go into this 5/16 socket, which enabled me to put the extension on it and put my ratchet on it, and I was able to move it around in there and with my ratchet and straighten it up, and I was able to get in there and make some threads, rethread it. And here's what my boat kind of looked like. This is a little longer than the original boat, but it's the same kind of thread. I think this is a metric. This is a standard thread. It's a fine thread, I believe. And actually it worked. So I was going to use this one, but I didn't need to. I got this one right here. This one didn't work. It was the same size. This is 14 millimeter right here. But this didn't work. This did. These threads right here cut right through it, and it cost me around $10. And I was able to get it on there. I used the tap, went in there and made some more threads. Then I got some WD-40 and sprayed in there and cleaned out the shavings. I did it twice, cleaned it up real good. Then I had to kind of force the threads, that bolt in there, but it went. And I went ahead and put it in there and put some blue Loctite on it, the medium. And I went ahead and put this on there, and I pulled in everything, and I'm about to put everything back together. But this is what saved my life right here. This $10 from Oreilly's. The guy went out of his way to find this for me, and I was able to get it fixed. So maybe this will help somebody out.